it's Shani from Origami Tree, and today we're going to be learning how to make Winnie the Pooh's honey jug. Now last week I posted a tutorial on how to make Origami Winnie the Pooh, so if you haven't made him already, be sure you check in the video description, make him first and then come back to make the honey jug so that you have a nice pair going on. Or you can do the honey jug first and then Winnie the Pooh second. But anyway, before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. So happy to have you here. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also notification bell to be alerted of new tutorials when they come out. I post new crafty, fun, and random things throughout the year, so I would really love for you to join me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make Pooh Bear's honey jug, you're going to need a sheet of paper that is 3 inches by 3 inches. This is the same size as the papers that I used to make Pooh Bear, so if you haven't made him yet, make sure you go check in the video description to learn how to make him. But anyway, we're going to take this sheet of paper, which is kind of tan colored. You're going to flip it around so that the color side is facing down away from you or towards the table. Then take the entire thing and fold it in half. Unfold. Take the bottom side and align it to the center. Crease that in. Rotate. Fold it straight up, also to that center line, and crease it in. Rotate. And then we're going to fold this in half. So to fold it straight up like this. So now we're going to create the curvature of the bottom of the jug. So I'm going to fold this slightly up at an angle. Now you can do it as much or as little as you want. I kind of like a little fat jug, so it's going to be kind of fat. Like that. And then we're going to unfold. Rotate. And then from the side, we're going to push inwards on those pre-existing creases that we just made. So when you do that, it's going to create a triangle, the upside down triangle. Once you have that, you're going to flatten. And so now it closes up. Do the same thing on this side, open it up, push inwards along the pre-existing creases, like that, and then flatten. Flip it around so that the front is facing you again. And now you want to gauge how deep you want the pot to be. So I'm going to fold it down right about here. I would say it's about 1/3 or 2/3 of the way up or 1/3 of the way down. Like that. Fold it straight down. And then also fold it straight back up. And that's going to create the rim of the honey jug. Flip it around, do the same thing on this side. Fold it down to the same mark that you did earlier. And then fold it up. Also to that same point right here, so that it matches. And now we're going to open it up. And then we want to take this side over here, so there should be a little flap that you created, and we're going to fold it down to create a curvature and also to lock it into place. Like that. It's going to be a little tiny fold, but it makes a difference when you flip it around. Do the same thing on this side. Fold it over just a little bit. Do the same thing here. Now let's fold the entire thing in half and flatten again. And so what that did was it made a little indentation right there. See that? It's very tiny, very subtle, but it's a nice little detail to have. Anyway, so now you're going to take these two corners, so here and here, and you're going to fold it back just to finish off that rim so it's not so sharp. And I think this also gives it more character too, so fold it over, flip it around, and do the same thing here. So fold it back, and fold it back. And that is how you make Pooh Bear's honey jug. So now you're going to take a pen or pencil. I like to use a Sharpie. So they purposely misspell honey and write it in like sort of a weird block letter kind of capitalized way. So I'm just going to do the same. And that is how you make Pooh Bear's honey jug. Thank you so much for watching and for watching until the very end of the video. More bonus points for you. Be sure you leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite Winnie the Pooh character is. And if you haven't made Winnie the Pooh already, be sure you check that out as well in the video description down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.